outdoor shower. Wash your feet, wash your cars off, the whole 9 yards. Look at that. This DIY time. All right, something real quick and easy. I already made this, but I should have filmed it, but I was just doing my thing. All right, sometimes you have to track. You need a little bit of water. Wash your cars off. I don't know, you're at the beach. Wash your feet off from the sand, whatever. All right, the line for the water might be long. Who knows? You just need some water. All right. Get you a regular chemical sprayer. You know what I mean? That pumps up. Chemical sprayer. Okay. This is a 1 gallon. You can get you a 2 gallon, whatever you work with. I don't need one of the 1 gallon. I'm fine with that. All right. Just something just to wash my cars off. Okay. Get you a 1 gallon. Usually the chemical sprayers, they come with like this little wand sprayer. Okay. All right. So what you're going to do is, it usually is like this, and then the hose is connected to there like that, and the hose go in there. You're going to cut that hose off. Okay, cut that hose off. And you got to get a little bit of pieces. All right, let me show you what I did. Okay. So, what you're going to need is a regular garden hose. Garden sprayer. Regular garden sprayer for a garden hose. Cheap, $4 at Lowe's. This inlet is a 3/4 inch. So if you can get the barb that's 3/4 inch to 1/4 inch, you golden. But if you can't, they had a plastic one, but I didn't want to use plastic, so I had to build this up. So I had to go. This is 3/8 barb to 1/2 inch. Right there, that's 1/2 inch. Screwed into this 3/4. So this inlet is 1/2 inch. Then I screwed it into the 3/4 inch garden hose. Okay, y'all understand that? And the barb joint is just like this. Okay, it just grabs a hose. Sometimes you might see them, they got a hose clamp on it, but I didn't have to do all that. Okay, now let me show you what I'm talking about. See, that's 3/4 inch bushing to a 1/2 inch. The inside hole is 1/2 inch. The outside threads is 3/4 inch. Okay, going into the garden hose. The barb I had to use was a 3/8 barb. 3/8 barb to a 1/2 inch. The 1/2 inch went into the 3/4 inch. 3/4 inch went into the garden hose. Okay, got to put a little bit of thread tape on there. You're good. Now this is important. Because this doesn't go all the way in there, right? You know, normally on the end of a garden hose, they come with these little rubber gaskets, little rubber O-rings. Get you some extras, because you're going to need like two of them to go in there. All right, if you buy this, it probably come with one. Get you some extras. Stick another one in there. All right, because you're going to need that rubber seal, okay, to go up in there. Boom, and that's it, people. Fill it up with water, pump it up. You're good to go. I'm going to take this thing over to the wash tub and show you what I'm talking about. Listen, I almost forgot. All right. If you get this 3/8 bar, all right, that's why I said a 1/4 inch to 3/4 inch bar would be good. But if you can't, and you get this 3-inch one, right? These hoses are a little tight getting it in there. So what you're going to do is you got to heat this up with a heat gun. Don't burn it. Put your heat gun on low. Just heat it up till it's pliable. It'll become really rubbery. All right, and then slip it on there. It'll be a little bit of a fight, but just keep, heat it up, let it get pliable, it's gonna get soft. All right, keep the heat gun on low, don't blast it. Slide it on in there. You gotta do some wiggling, fighting it a little bit, and then once you get it on there, when it cools down, it'll cool down hard and it'll be good to go. Almost forgot to tell you that, okay? But if you get the 1/4 inch one, 1/4 inch bar, you eliminate all this. You just go right in there, boom, in there, and it'll go in there nice. You might need a hose clamp, maybe. Depends on how the fit is, okay? But if you gotta do the 3/8, build up 3/8 to 1/4 inch and all that, 1/2 inch, all that, you got to heat this hose up, stick it in there, and I ain't need a hose clamp. This thing on there tight. All right, people. All right. Over at the garden, wash tub. You unscrew that, take that out. Fill it up with some water. All right, that's good enough. Cool. Put your pump back in. Sometimes these little tricky screw in. All right. Moving this camera. All right. Okay. Pump it up like regular. Boom. Good to go, people. Nice little stream. And you can still do your mist and all that, but the shower part is good. You know what I mean? And it lasts pretty long time, you know, if you just rinsing something off real quick. Boom, that's one pump. Not too bad, not too bad at all. This is good for, like I said, you at the track, you need a little bit of water, need to wash your car off. This will work for you. Or, you know, you at the beach. Boom, want to wash your feet off, you know what I'm saying, they track it all in your car, whatever. Boom, this will work good for you, okay, people? Alright, let me show you that, alright? Alright, that's just a little quick tip. Alright, it's your man Rajay. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.